Alright, physics lovers, come to this video. The question says the diagram below shows a ray of light being reflected from a plane surface. So this is reflection taking place on this plane surface here that we are seeing here. Alright, then it says here we have a normal of the 30 degrees angle. There we have ray A and ray B, angle R. Identify ray A, ray B and angle R. Also at the same time calculate the size of angle R. Because the question is talking about reflection, we should be able to understand certain concepts under that fall under reflection. Alright, such as the rays that are involved there, the angles that are involved there, the laws of reflection. Alright, so what is ray A? Now remember that this ray is going direct into the surface, so it's being incident on the surface. So this ray is called the incident ray, not the incidency, the incident ray. Number two, ray B. Ray B here is, remember this ray is coming out of the surface, so it's being reflected now, so we call it the reflected ray. Not reflection ray, but reflected ray. Angle R, because this angle is between the normal and the reflected ray, we call it the angle of reflection. The angle of reflection. That's what we call it. So how do we calculate it now? That's where the question comes in. Now, calculation of angle R comes from the concept of the first law of reflection, which states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of what? Reflection. Now, which one is the angle of incidence? This is the angle of incidence, 30 degrees. Remember, it's an angle between the normal and the incident ray, not this one. No, I've refused. This one is the angle of incidence. So if you are given this angle and they ask you to find the angle of incidence, you know that here we are making a 90 degree. So subtract this angle from 90, then you're going to get that angle there. Clear? Alright, so since R is equal to R, even our guy here is also 30 degrees. So we are saying angle R is therefore 30 degrees. So free mark again, just one mark. Oh, it's just one mark. And free mark again.